Hey, I'm Charlotte Patrick, and welcome to Gravity Junction Web Design and Marketing's tutorial section. In today's video, we'll be covering how to connect your credit card for the preferred shipping vendor to make it easy for you to print labels and process orders that come through your WooCommerce shopping cart system. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you've logged in to the back end of your WordPress website, notice on the left-hand side all of the navigation options. Step number 1. Select WooCommerce Settings. Step number 2, select the Shipping tab. Step number 3, select WooCommerce Services. Step number 4, select Add a Credit Card. At this point, a new window or tab in your browser should open up, requesting all of the information regarding your credit card, billing, address, etc. Please fill out this information, and step number 6 is vitally important. You want to click Save Card. Before leaving this page, ensure that you see the confirm message in the top right-hand corner of your screen, Card Added Successfully. Once you see this message, step number 7 is head back over to that original tab where your WordPress dashboard can be found. The final step is to press Save Changes. This will confirm all of your credit card information is attached to your shopping cart, making it really easy to print labels for each order that comes through. Please watch the next video in regards to how to fulfill orders. I'm Charlotte Patrick, and thanks so much for watching.